Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talkin Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we are looking at the interior light plinth cover for the Triumph TR6. So this wasn't fitted to all the Triumph TR6s, but some of the sort of mid-range ones, I think sort of 1970 to maybe 1972 era. From our records it shows as most of the cars with CC or CP chassis numbers above 50,000. Just to show you in the book there, you had this little light that was on top of the transmission tunnel at the very back of it. I think they had two different versions. One was chrome, the other one was covered in a material. So what we've got here is we've actually got the retrim kit, which is the material cover that we sell for you to retrim your original. And then we've actually got a fully trimmed up one. Customer has sent us his original one and we've fully trimmed it up for him. So the material used is a high quality moquette material, which is a wool-based product. It's very commonly seen in Jaguar E-types and XKs of this same sort of era. So it's a very sort of short pile but dense wool content material, so very high quality, and it kind of ties in with the carpet colours. So obviously this is black, we can offer a range of colours, so it ties in nicely with your carpet set, which would obviously be recommended to be done in the wool material. And the cover is sewn and then you trim it round as such, and obviously this is the cutaway here for the actual light to sit inside of it. It's a metal frame there. So yeah, so I do a brief video, not a huge amount to say on these things, only that we supply the covers so it can match or time with your carpet sets nicely using a very high quality material and a sewn cover. We have also done these in leather and vinyl in the past, but personally I'd recommend using the moquette so it ties in with the carpet. But it's your car, your choice, and we'll do it however. See our website for details. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and make any comments below. Share with other classic car enthusiasts, and I'll see you next time.